Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use same Apple ID on multiple iPhones. So guys, if you want to log in your Apple ID on multiple devices, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply open settings on a new device, and then you have to simply tap on sign in option from here. Since I have already signed in my Apple ID, you have to simply tap on sign in button if you have not logged in, and then here you will see the login option or sign in option. So guys, you have to simply give the same credentials of the Apple ID to the new device, and after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID on your new device. So guys, once you enter your credentials, it will ask you for the verification code, and the verification code will be sent to your old trusted device. So guys, you have to simply sign in your Apple ID on a new device with the same credentials, and after this you will have to enter the code to your new device which is sent to your older device. So guys, once you enter that code, after this the same Apple ID will be logged in or signed in on your new Apple device very easily. So guys, in this way you can also sign in your multiple devices with same Apple ID. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.